It's meal prep day again. Today we're gonna prep healthy breakfast, lunch, snack, / dessert and dinner that will get you 100 grams of protein per day. We're gonna start by prepping breakfast. We're gonna make mango coconut overnight oats. Overnight oats are one of my favorite breakfasts to prep because it takes less than 5 minutes to make them. Just add all the ingredients into these glass jars. Oats, chia seeds, high-protein Greek yogurt. The yogurt I use contains 13 grams of protein per 100 grams. Next, I add some coconut milk. If you aren't the biggest fan of coconut, you can use regular milk instead of coconut milk. For that mango flavor, I add mango puree. I used a store-bought one that contains 100% mango, but you could also make it yourself just by blending mangoes. Then I just stir well to make sure there are no chia seed clumps. For topping, I add diced mango and shredded coconut. Then I just store these in the fridge. They last in the fridge up to 4 days. These overnight oats are creamy and refreshing. Such an easy and yummy breakfast. For lunch, I'm prepping feta sun-dried tomato pasta salad. First, I mix all the ingredients together for the dressing and divide it into glass jars. The point of salad jars is that since the dressing is at the bottom of the jars, the vegetables on top won't get soggy. Next, I add lentil pasta. I like to use lentil pasta because it's higher in protein and fiber than regular pasta. Next, I add diced sun-dried tomatoes, which add lots of flavor to this pasta salad. Then I add crumbled feta. Crumbled goat cheese would work well too. Next, I add chopped bell peppers. And lastly, a big handful of arugula. You could also add fresh basil if you like. I store these in the fridge. Before serving, I just pour all the ingredients into a bowl and toss. For snack / dessert, I'm making chocolate peanut butter yogurt barks. This is such a fun snack idea for summer. I mix together full-fat Greek yogurt, chocolate protein powder, which is totally optional, cacao powder for that chocolatey flavor, unsweetened peanut butter, which prevents the barks from getting icy, and a little bit of maple syrup for sweetness. I spread the mixture on 2 cutting boards lined with parchment paper. I drizzle peanut butter and melted 80% dark chocolate on top. It makes swirls with a cocktail stick. You need to be very quick because the chocolate sets fast. I freeze the barks for at least 2 hours and then I cut them into pieces and store in airtight containers in the freezer. I let it sit in room temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving. For dinner, I'm prepping healthier lemon basil risotto with chicken. First, I make a marinade for the chicken. I mix together olive oil, paprika spice, oregano, salt, pepper, and chili flakes. I let the chicken marinate for about 15 minutes. Then I heat some olive oil in a large pan. Next, I add chopped green onions and saute for a few minutes. If you don't have IBS, you can replace them with 1 diced onion. Next, I add risotto rice and stir constantly for 1 to 2 minutes until the rice looks slightly translucent around the edges but still white in the center. Next, I add hot chicken stock, stir, bring to boil, and cover with the lid. I let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes over medium heat until the rice starts to absorb the liquid, and stir occasionally. Meanwhile, I cook the chicken breasts on another pan, about 4 minutes per side. After the rice has absorbed the liquid, I add lots of fresh basil, lemon juice, and spinach, and stir until rice has absorbed all the liquid. Lastly, I add grated parmesan and stir until creamy. This risotto is so creamy and delicious. Such a perfect dinner. These were all the meals I meal prepped this week. I'll add the written recipes to the description box. If you're looking for more easy, healthy meal prep recipes, check out my meal prep ebook, which has 80 high-protein recipes with nutritional info. I'll add the link down below. Let me know in the comments what kind of meals you would want to see next. I hope you tried the recipes. Enjoy!